How to change Discover to Shop on TikTok. Hey guys, in this video, I will let you know how to change Discover to Shop on TikTok. So first step is to open the TikTok app, launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Second step is to explore the Discover feed. So first of all, by default, when you on TikTok, you will be in the For You feed where you can see videos recommended for you. To access the Discover feed, you can swipe left on the screen. This will take you to the Discover page where you can explore various content categories. Next step is to switch to Shop feed. To switch from Discover feed to the Shop feed, you can look for the Shop tab or icon with the app. This is usually located at the bottom of the screen, next to the other tabs like Home, Discover, and Inbox. Next step is to tap on the Shop tab. Once you locate the Shop tab, tap on it, switch to the shop feed. This will display products and item available for the purchase directly within the TikTok shopping platform. Next step is to explore the shopping content. Once you are in the shop feed, you can browse through the various products, collections, and featured items. TikTok often showcases trending products and brands as well as personalized recommendations based on your interest and browsing history. Next step is to interact with the shopping content. You can interact with the shopping content by tapping on products to view more detail, including descriptions, prices, and purchasing options. You can also like, save, or share products with the others. So in that way, you can also use the return to Discover feed optional too. If you want to switch back to Discover feed at any time, you can do so by tapping on the Discover tab or swiping left on the screen until you return to the Discover tab. In that way, you will be able to change the Discover to Shop in TikTok. If you like this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel.